In initial stage of stroke, one side of our body will become weak or paralysis. We are going to share 5 tips of care in this stage. Weakness of shoulder muscles will cause subluxation because the muscles are unable to hold upper arm bone. Don't swing your arm or pull your shoulder overhead because it will cause shoulder injury. Do not pull the arm when trying to assist the patient because it will lead to shoulder subluxation. Proper position the limb to prevent it from stiffness. Make sure to change the position regularly to prevent development of bed sore. Use pillow to support the arm to prevent it from hanging, which may lead to shoulder subluxation. Use arm sling to support the shoulder during walking to prevent it from subluxation. Arm sling should only use when the shoulder needs to support, otherwise will have negative effect, which is stiffness. Visit our physiotherapy center for more information. Or you can make a home physiotherapy appointment today.